Hello creative, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I edit my raw image in Capture One. So let's get started. ClarityVisuals, multimedia and creativity. Firstly, I'm going to deal with the white balance, but the white balance of this image is okay. So after then, I'm going to deal with my exposure. In my exposure, I'm not going to deal with the exposure, I'm going to deal with the contrast. So I'm going to add a little bit contrast to the image. 90 is okay. After that, I'm going to go to the eye dynamic range. So I'm going to give it a little bit shadow. I'm going to add a little bit shadow to it. I'm going to give it a little black. I think this is okay. After that, I'm going to go to my refine colors. So right there, I'm going to go to my levels. I'm going to add a little levels to it. Right, add a little bit of levels to the image. So right there, I'm going to go to my colors. After I'm going to my color, I'm going to go to my green. I'm going to make this green at the background to be natural. So I'm going to add a little bit green to it. Then see the background is becoming more greenish. So after that, I'm going to go to the red because there's a red in our clothes. So I'm going to add a little bit wool and a little bit saturation to the red. So it's like saturation is much, so I'm going to reduce the saturation in the red a little bit. You can see. The other time I'm going to go to yellow. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to it, and I'm going to reduce the yellow a little bit, the niceness of the yellow a little bit, then a little bit saturation to the yellow. After then, let's see the image. So let me show you the before and the after. So this is the before, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. You can see this is a bit different in this editing that I just made in Capture One. So I hope this tutorial has been of help to you. You can see the before and after. So right now I know you can edit your Capture One. So and if you want to learn how to screen retouch in Photoshop, check out my tutorial in my previous channel. In the link will be in the description below. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click like button so you can see a notification of anytime I upload my tutorial on this platform. Also, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. See you in my next tutorial.